Almonds are said to be one of the world's most loved tree nuts that are highly nutritious and filled with fats, antioxidants, including vitamins and minerals. Most people are aware of the facts that almonds are good for your health, but the question lies, what are their various health benefits? Whether you may be relishing an ice cream with almond toppings or having a glass of almond milk, you name it, and this nut is a major satisfaction to your taste buds, and this also help in a healthy diet. Now the question is, how something this small can have a huge impact on your health. This is because almond seeds have antioxidants, proteins, hearty fats, and minerals that are good for your body. Health benefits of almonds. Almonds are said to be beneficial for your health, but in what ways is the question that you need to ask yourself. So, what are the health benefits of almonds and what good would this nut do if it is added to your daily diet? Well, here are some scientifically proven benefits of almonds and their usages. Almonds reduce cholesterol. According to the recent study by the American Dietetic Association, consuming almonds were proven to increase your levels of vitamin E in your red blood cells and also reduces your risks of having cholesterol. By boosting the levels of vitamin E in your bloodstream, antioxidants were formed that prevents your cells from clogging, developing cholesterol. Thus, consuming a handful of almonds daily can generate more vitamin E into your bloodstream, and this can also save from the risk of developing cholesterol. Almonds are good for your heart. When almonds are consumed along with some other nuts, it is said that it is good for your heart. Well, according to a study published in 2014, researchers found that samples in the study who consumed almonds has more antioxidants in their bloodstream, and this helped reducing blood pressure and improved the flow of blood in various parts of the body. Also, the research concluded by stating that Mediterranean diets had a lot of nuts in their food and had more health benefits. Almonds regulate blood sugar. Consuming almonds is said to regulate blood sugar levels and stabilize them. This is because almonds have magnesium in them, and it is advised that consume a handful of almonds daily. However, for people suffering from type 2 diabetes, almonds play an integral role in stabilizing it. So, what basically happens if the diabetic person consumes almonds? The answer is the person would develop insulin resistance, which is great for people suffering from diabetes, and this is because the content of magnesium in the nut. Almonds have high vitamin E. Almonds are said to contain higher levels of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that protects your cells from getting toxic. With higher amounts of vitamin E being pumped into your bloodstream, this reduces your risks of developing Alzheimer's disease, cancer, and heart disease. Make sure that your intake of vitamin E is moderate because excessive intake of vitamin E can lead to prostate cancer. Make sure you consume how much is needed and do not do it in excess. Almonds reduce weight. Almonds have higher contents of protein and fiber, the lower levels of carbohydrates that curbs your appetite and does not keep you craving for long. This also helps in reducing the number of calories on a daily basis. When almonds have the tendency to curb your appetite, this means that you can control what you intake, and this helps in regulating your weight. Almonds are rich in nutrients. The edible seeds drawn out of almond trees are almonds, and the US is the largest producer of almonds in the world. Almonds are rich in nutrients, wherein just 28 grams of almonds contain 6 grams of protein, 3.5 grams of fiber, 14 grams of fat, 37% of vitamin E, 32% of manganese, and 20% of magnesium. Almonds also contain a good source of copper, vitamin B12, and phosphorus that provides 161 calories and 2.5 grams of digestive carbohydrates. Almonds are good for your eyes. While carrots are said to be very good for your eyes, almonds have a high source of vitamin E that protect your eyes and prevents abnormal changes to your lens. Thus, consuming almonds will protect your eyes, but do not consume this in excess as this can lead to weight gain. Almonds have a rich source of antioxidants that can protect you against stress. Stress leads to molecule damage that thereby results in inflammation, cancer, and aging. The antioxidants present in almonds benefit your skin. However, consuming 84 grams of almonds per day can increase the levels of antioxidants in your body that will protect you from aging and various other diseases. Almond nourishes skin. You may have read about almonds being a major part of the ingredients in most skin products, and this is because of the fact that this nut has loads of benefits for your skin. Almonds contain a flavonoid that is similarly found in green tea and broccoli. This component nourishes your skin and is an anti-aging property for your skin. Almonds prevent cancer. Almonds have certain amount of fiber present in them that helps in detoxifying the body. Consuming almonds help food to move through the digestive system more easily. Almonds have high fiber in them, and this reduces our risk of developing colon cancer. It also has loads of vitamin E and flavonoids that regulate breast cancer. Almonds improve your brain power. Almonds contain L-carnitine and riboflavin that helps in the growth of brain cells. One major chemical that helps the brain in conjunctive function is phenylalanine, and almonds have this chemical in them. Consuming just 5 pieces of almonds every morning can help you boost your brain power. Almonds are best for treating anemia. Anemia is usually caused when red blood cells carry very less oxygen to the brain. Thus, almonds contain copper, iron, and vitamins that helps in producing more hemoglobin. As a result, almonds can be used to prevent anemia. Almonds are good for your nerves. Almonds have some amount of magnesium in them that benefits the nervous system. This also helps in developing a healthy metabolic rate. Magnesium also helps in better bone tissue. This has so much benefited that even peanut butter cannot offer you. Almonds treat acne and blackheads. Almonds are considered to be the best remedy that can prevent and fight acne, blackheads, and whiteheads through the fatty acids found in them. These fatty acids control the oil that gets clogged in these skin pores, and thus, when the almond oil is applied to your skin, it also helps in reducing skin rashes. Almonds treat stretch marks. Almond oil makes it effective for treating stretch marks by nourishing the skin and preventing skin tear. All you need to do is to heat the almond oil and apply it to the stretch marks and leave for an hour. Make sure you apply this twice a day and you will see the difference. Almonds prevent grey hair. Almond oil is very essential in treating any kind of hair problems from hair fall to preventing hair from turning grey. You name it, and almond oil comes in handy. Almond oil also helps in curing dandruff and other types of hair problems. The best part about using almond oil for your hair is that it gives a silky and shiny texture. Almonds help in hair growth. Lack of magnesium in your body leads to loss of hair, and thus high amounts of magnesium found in almonds help your hair grow fast and develop strong strands. Thus, almonds help in hair growth. Almonds are natural anesthetics. When it comes to any stitching of your skin, plucking of your tooth, or so forth, almond oil can play a important role such that it can heal as an anesthetic. Almond oil has a toxic compound called glycoside amygdalin that makes your nerves insensitive, and so you may feel numb once this is applied. Also, keep in mind that you can use bitter almond oil only as an anesthetic and not for any other purposes. Almonds increase mental alertness. When almonds are mixed with milk, they become rich in potassium. This is one of the main minerals that boost the number of electrolytes in your body, thus providing the body more energy. When there is a boost in electrolytes, your memory flow also increases, and this can happen by consuming almond milk. In simple terms, almond milk makes your memory sharper. Almonds prevent birth defects. Almonds contain folic acids that protect the mother from any sort of birth defects. Folic acid plays an integral role in the development of healthy cell growth and also helps in the life cycle of growing fetus. Pregnant women who consume almonds can help protect their baby from developing any sort of health defects. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you have any query, write down in the comment section, and more such videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.